Hello guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Right now I'm at my office, walking downstairs, awaiting for my transport to come. Till the moment I've made some time to make a vlog or discuss something really important for you guys. So, as we will be continuing about the talks about the job opportunities, so I would like to start discussing about a very basic kind of jobs, mid-oriented basic jobs. I would say like drivings or entry level jobs. Uh, so I would like to pitch in related to the sales job first. Okay, so let's pitch in related to the jobs which we have been talking about, the sales jobs. So in UAE, sales jobs is quite very demanding, since once you have a sales experience and let it be a domestic experience or an home country experience, of course it matters. It's all about maintaining a proper resume is it matters. So the demand coming to the sales which is demanding is real estate, credit cards, marketing, sim cards. All this comes into picture, which are actually when you just get it, you just because it's completely related to the target, it's completely target oriented jobs. Eventually there is sort of risky, and also it's like a hook or crook. Either if you're going to achieve the target, you're going to flourish, you'll earn like anything. If at all, if you couldn't meet the targets, so obviously you're going uh, you know the pay scale would be a bit sort of less. So obviously we need to push yourself so hard to achieve the targets. So that is how the sales job would be, and you can get it anywhere. And obviously the companies would monitor your performance and how you're going to perform for from the day one. They will not invest on the candidate investing on the visa, and later on it turned up the candidate couldn't make the sale. So obviously they cannot push off the candidate. So keeping all this in mind, so obviously they're going to monitor you for a couple of weeks or a month or something. So it's all about how you perform for for that period. Then they're going to invest or make up your visa. So that is how the sales job works out here. And since sales job is completely target related job, so you will not be having mandate qualification requirements, 10 or 10 plus 2 or whatever. It doesn't matter until unless you have a non ECNR passport, immigration check required passport. It should not be there. So that is the only basic requirement for the sales job. And the next jobs, I would say, comes into picture is about the driving jobs, wherein you have to put in from your pocket first. Later on the pocket automatically fills in up, because you need a UAE driving license. Let it be a car, or let it be a bike. Once you have the driving license, you have obviously you have the key for any most of the jobs over here. So if you are going for a driving related to related jobs for the delivery, specifically I'm talking about the delivery boys, which makes approximately 3,000 to 5,000 every month. All they need to just drive and deliver things all around, like Swiggy or whatever sort of in your home country. So Swiggy, Zomato, it's just like a delivery boys. And they earn like 3,000 to 5,000 dirhams. The only independence that they have, it is they have their own you have to buy your own independent visa for 2 years, invest on a bike visa, correction, I mean to say a bike license, which will be costing around like 5,000 for the bike license, and 7 to 8,000 for your 2 years visa. So approximately 12,000 dirhams, 12,000 into 20, so approximately almost in between of 2 to 2.5 lakhs, so which is not a small amount. Is the only investment, one time investment. Once you're going to make that investment, so I'm sure within a year you're going to recover that amount. Let's say not even in a year, 6 months, hardly 6 months, inshallah. So, but be ready to get slogged for such kind of jobs, because the more you get slogged, the more you're going to earn the money out of it. So this is how basic entry kind of jobs. So I would like to go forward in the next vlog, discussing further jobs related to mid-range or management level jobs. I would let's see what opportunity brings us all together. So let's see you around in the next vlog. See you around. Allah Hafiz.